The present continuous tense is a tense we use to talk about actions that are happening right now or around this time. It tells us that something is in progress. This tense is very common in everyday English, and we use it many times when we speak. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense means the action is happening now at the moment of speaking. For example, I am eating. She is writing. They are playing. When we say these sentences, the actions are happening right now. Structure. How to make this tense. The formula of the present continuous tense is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Here's how we use am is are. We use am with I example. I am reading. We use as with he, she, it, or one person. Example, he is sleeping. We use are with you, we, they, or many people. Example, they are running. The main verb always ends with ing. When do we use present continuous tense? We use this tense in three main situations. Actions happening right now. We use present continuous for things happening at this moment. Examples. I am talking to you. The baby is crying. The dog is barking. She is cooking food. We are watching a movie. All these actions are happening now. Actions happening around this time, not exact moment. Sometimes the action is not happening right now, but it is happening during this period of time. It is temporary, not permanent. Examples. I'm studying for my exam these days. She is learning English now. They are staying with their uncle for a week. My friend is looking for a job. These actions continue for some days or weeks. C. Future plans, near future. We can use present continuous to talk about plans that will happen soon. Examples. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. She is traveling next week. We are having a party tonight. They are visiting the museum on Sunday. These are plans for the near future. 4. Negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we add not after am as are. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing. Examples. I'm not sleeping. He is not coming today. They are not playing football. She is not watching TV. 5. Question sentences. To ask questions, we move am is are to the beginning of the sentence. Am is are plus subject plus verb plus ing. Examples. Are you coming with us? Is he studying now? Am I doing this right? Are they eating lunch? 6. Common mistakes. Very simple. Learners often make these mistakes. Mistake 1. Missing am is are wrong. I playing. Correct. I am playing. Mistake 2. Knowing wrong. She is cook. Correct. She is cooking. Mistake 3. Using this tense with verbs like know, want, like wrong. I am knowing this. Correct. I know this. These verbs are not used with ing in simple situations. 7. How to add ing. Spelling rules. If a verb ends in e, remove the e and adding make gives making write gives writing. If a verb is short and ends with a consonant after a vowel, double the last letter run gives running, sit gives sitting. If it ends in ie, change it to y lie gives lying, die gives dying. 8. Easy practice sentences. Here are simple sentences to understand clearly. I am drinking water. She is smiling now. They are talking to each other. He is fixing his bike. We are learning English. The sun is shining. The children are laughing. My mother is making tea.